And now, giving you all the news you can use about hair. Hair Street News with your intrepid reporter, whose ears are to the streets, ready to give the deets without missing a beat, Jane. Hair Street News, all the news you can use for hair.
Hello, and welcome to Hair Street News, otherwise known as HSN. That sounds oddly familiar. Let's just call it HNS, Hair Street News, but with the letters just switched around a little bit. We working on it. And I am your Hair Street News reporter, Jane. Y'all know me. I get around. So for today's hair news, fresh off the hair streets, I got the deets for fall 2022 hair trends. Now, I know 2022 is almost over and we are already in fall, but my roving reporter, they got here a little late, but it's okay. We're going to go over the list of trends anyway. Is everyone ready? I hear Bob in my ear and I think we're ready. So let's go. First up in hair trends, we have a section that we like to call Making the Cut. I came up with that one. Where we are going to review the haircuts for fall 2022. The first on the list is the C-shaped haircut, otherwise known as a light layered cut. So instead of layers all around, we just like to keep it to the face, with face framing layers softly framing the face. It's sort of an update of an old school hairstyle that a lot of us used to wear back in the day called mushroom. So the mushroom hairstyle just got a little update with some face framing layers. Did I say face framing layers? Which gives hair volume, bounce, and a lot of versatility in that this haircut can be worn on long hair or short hair. Because again, we're just talking about the front. We're not talking about the back. So anybody and everybody and their mama can wear this hairstyle. That is the C-shaped haircut. Next up is the big chop. Now for all those who have been holding out and holding on and locking in on their locks, I came up with that one too. Now is the time to experiment if you dare. Time to take those scissors into your own hands, or not, or go to a professional, because we don't want no mishaps. And then y'all coming back to me and say, hey, you said take it into your own hands. I didn't mean literally. I just meant take control of your hair and your hairstyle. But anyway, it is time to take a pair of scissors and take a chance with your hairstyle. A lot of people have taken the plunge and cut it all off. Yes, taken the big chop and cut it way shorter. And why have they done that? Well, there are many reasons, but one of the answers is trying something new right now for the fall so that just in case you get tired of it, by the time spring and summer rolls along, your hair would have grown back at least to a longer length. To try something else. Get it? Got it? Good. So if you'd like to try something new, now is the time with the new season to do just that. But if you're not handy with the shears, please go to a professional. Professional stylists can always get you tight and right. And when you go, tell them that Jane sent you. Jane from Hair Street News. Okay, so next up on the docket is color. We love color around here, and it seems that a lot of people are also loving color around this time as well. So the key word for this fall season for hair trends is flavor. F-L-A-V-A. Yes, you heard it right. We are talking about soft, warm chocolates, along with spicy cinnamons, with a touch of caramels, and a dash of copper. Yes, these warm browns and golden brown highlights are all the bee's knees for right now. Perfect for the fall season as they conjure up memories of sitting by the fireplace and sipping on cider and really enjoying the pumpkin weather. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? So if you're at all interested in following this trend, you'll be right in line with what is hip and going on in the hair streets. All right, so let's shuffle some papers around and make us look important and newsy. All right, I think we're ready. Next up on the docket is styles. Styling and profiling in these hair streets has gotten an update. From the ultra sleek to the super high, buns are in the news today. You can wear them up, you can wear them back, you can wear them to the side, you can wear them to the other side. They are so versatile, we just don't know where to stop. Right, Bob? So, anyway, I have never known buns to be off trend, but for fall 2022, they are definitely on trend. And it's not just for long hair because there are plenty of pieces that can help supplement whatever you don't have on your own. Hair pieces, as far as clip-ins and even quick little ponytails that you can tie in and tie up, are readily available at your local beauty supply store. So short or long, everyone can participate in this bun trend. As well as parts. For fall 2022, the word on the hair street is that side parts are in. That must mean that I'm on trend. Right, Bob? So, with that being said, it does not matter what side the part is on, whether it is on the right or whether it is on the left. No matter which side you choose, you will always choose right, meaning correct, and you will never be wrong. I gotta rewrite that one. No matter which side you're on, no matter which side you no matter which side you decide on, you will always be on trend with this particular part. Is that better? Girl, I was on trend. I didn't even know it. That's how bad I am. You know what I'm saying? I be on trend. I don't even know. Anyway, so the skinny on the fat is middle parts are no longer really the in thing unless you are following this next trend, which is curtain bangs. Now, curtain bangs sound just like that. You know how you have curtains, in your window, and they split in the middle and they sort of hang long? That's what curtain bangs are for the hair. Pretty much the same thing. It's a peekaboo hairstyle that works for many all around. Again, long or short, you can grow your bangs out just a little bit longer, maybe a little past the eye, split them in the middle and part them to say hi. I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll, Bob. But if you're going to have bangs, curtain bangs are the thing to do. At least that is the word on the hair streets for fall 2022. Shuffle, 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 like cards. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. And we're back. Last but not least, we have for all of you wig wearers out there, the on trend for fall 2022, at least according to the hair streets, is the bob. Yes, not that bob. Right, Bob? Not you, Bob. We are talking about the bob hairstyle, which goes to just about the shoulder. Now you can have this in a shaggy bob, you can have this in a curly bob, you can have this in a half twist bob, but the whole point is that bob is bobbing for fall 2022. And people have been bobbing along with this trend for quite a while. So not only the bob, but also if you're trying to mix the two as far as the trends, a bob with a little bit of color and darker roots seems to be, what I say before, the bee's knees in the hair streets. So again, for all those who partake and like a little variety and a little spice in your hair life, try a wig with a bob. Try a wig in the bob hairstyle, and you will be on trend not only for this season, but for the season to come. So this is fall, so we talking about winter. As I think that this is one of the trends that will be longer lasting than some of the others, but we shall see. So we have come to the end of this particular program as far as giving you all the deets, as far as what is trending in the hair streets for this fall of 2022. And this is Hair Street News, otherwise known as HSN. Bob, I think HSN is taken. Say what now? Huh? Nobody got the memo. All right, cleaning it up. Formerly known as HSN, but right now we're going by HNS. We don't want no smoke, okay? We don't want no smoke up in here, where we report all of the hair news that the streets have to offer, both relaxed and natural. Doesn't matter. So that was our quick update for this fall 2022 hair trends. So if you want to keep up with all that's going on in the hair streets, be sure to tune in for our next episode where you get all the hair deets of the hair streets and all the hair news that you can handle. I am your hair street reporter, Jane, signing off. Bye-bye now. Toodles. Hair street news. All the news you can use. Scribble, 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 scribble.